Hi, my name's Prince Ralph. I chose to work with LMB Group on a project for a house renovation and extension, dormer conversion to the loft. I chose to work with LMB because I did a lot of research in the area and looked over the 3 top roofing contractors, loft conversion specialists. LMB stood out, excellent reviews. I ended up speaking to Ricky, who came to our house. She was confident, enthusiastic, extremely transparent and genuine. She had a wealth of knowledge. She could see our vision as a family, knew exactly what we wanted to achieve with this build, and she was set on delivering a high quality project. My requirements and expectations were huge, like everyone's. I wanted this a beautiful build aesthetically. I wanted this large dormer loft conversion. It wasn't your stereotypical conversion, which was a 2.4 meter high ceiling. This was a 3 meter high ceiling and a huge square footage. LMB stepped up. They looked at the designs. We went through them in great detail. They were able to communicate my expectations clearly back to me, which is really important, so that I knew they had a good understanding of what I wanted and expected. I would recommend LMB to family and friends, 100%. They had clear communication, they were honest, the workmanship was fantastic, they delivered on the project on time. My family love it, I love it, my friends love it. So yes, I would use them again and I would recommend them to everyone that I know.